Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Blessing. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I'm in Nigeria, based in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. On this channel I share videos about myself, my activities in the house, my cooking and other good stuff I do as a human being. I share all of that here on this channel. So it's a beautiful afternoon here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Okay. So today I'll be going to my friend's place. I'll be coming back tomorrow. So me and the both of us, we have this cooking job. So I'll be going there right now. She has been waiting for me since, and this is past 2. So I'll be going there now, so we can go to the mall to pick the things we'll be needing for the cooking ingredients and all of that. So I'll be staying in her place today and tomorrow. Then after the cooking, I'll come back to the house. So I will show you guys when I get to where I'm going. I also show my friend on this vlog. So let's get going. Hey. Okay, this is my friend. I say hi. So we came here. She wants to buy snacks, so we can eat. You want that one?
I think.
Which other one?
Which other one? I don't want to buy what I won't be able to eat.
Yeah, that one is okay now, no problem. Huh?
Okay, but you need 60 cents.
Okay. So guys, here is OTK supermarket. We are here now. Queen, tomatoes first. Sorry. Tomatoes. We are buying much now, ba? OTK supermarket. That side is the fruit area. Fruit. So, and here is my friend.
Hello.
You don't know. You know, they don't get.
No. I don't like this one.
Me too, I don't like that one.
Bonza.
I'm gonna go full price for these tomatoes. So which other side now?
We are going for meat fruit.
Okay, mixed fruit. The other side now. Take one small one.
I'm going to buy can one. Join.
No, take this other one. This small one, don't know. Don't they okay? Which other side now?
I'm coming. Wait.
Sorry? 3 only, huh? Limit 3 packs.
You know people are spicy.
Limited. 3 packs.
Okay, we just got home. Since how many hours?
How many years?
Okay,
See, we are still looking for something. We don't see to buy.
this thing go fit climb here, so.
Go climb.
Oh yeah, carry last power. Hey guys, we are back from the mall. We went to, like you guys saw on this vlog, we went to Utiki supermarket. From there we also went to African shop. So we are back home now. I'm in my friend's place, so you could tell with the look on my face that I am tired. Like, I'm so tired, but what to do? We move. We need to start doing all this cooking, some like washing of the meat and all of that. So yeah, we're back home. This is 8 o'clock. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, these are everything. They are bringing the meat now. The meat is on the way. They are bringing it now. So once the meat gets here, we just start washing and cooking and frying the meat. Then tomorrow we'll cook the rice and the soup. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. All right. Hey guys, good morning. Like guys, I've been so busy since, as in I don't even have the time to even carry my phone to vlog about this food. So I'm so sorry. This is the first pot I'm cooking for the jollof rice. As you can see, this is the other one, and after this one I'll be cooking fried rice as well. So let me show you. As you can see, this is it. So I've been busy. We finished doing the meat and the chicken. I'll show you guys. So yeah. Guys, I couldn't make any video upstairs because there's no time. The people have been calling and they need the food, and we are downstairs. Like, I'm tired.
Where's my water?
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Like guys, it's the next day guys. In this vlog I told you guys that I and my friend, we have this cooking job that we are going for. We did that cooking I went there on Tuesday, so the cooking was yesterday, Wednesday, and today is Thursday. So I came back yesterday night, so I was so tired. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't show you guys the food and everything. We make egusi soup, goat's meat, chicken, jollof rice, fried rice, salad. We had to turn swallow as well. Like guys, it's not easy. You see those people that is doing this cooking business, like you guys are odogu. Like the stress is fucking too much. The stress is too much. Like I was so tired yesterday. I just get back to the house, take my shower, and just take some painkillers because I was having serious pain. Like the cooking was so stressful. So yeah, just let me come here to give you guys the update now. I will be showing you guys more and more videos about myself on this channel, because like I said in the previous video I post on my YouTube channel, that the subscribers I have is not encouraging me and all of that. And I also said to myself that I'm going to put more effort on this channel. So yeah, I woke up this afternoon, so I was hungry. Like I wanted to eat pizza, so I went out to go get pizza. So yeah, this is it. Let me show you. See, this is my pizza. I love Domino's so much. So I just got home now. Yeah, just let me talk to you guys so I can end this video here. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for your love and support on this channel. And if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, please drop a comment, please do all the good stuff on this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.